Hello everyone. So let's check out and review this book of Vinod Publications. This book is Pedagogy Across the Curriculum. It's DLED ETT first year book. It's of Government of Himachal Pradesh. It's an Hindi medium book. It's a bestseller and news as per bestseller book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted educational publishing firm of India. This book is as per the new syllabus pattern. So let's check out this book. First of all, syllabus is mentioned. Unit 1, knowledge and methods of inquiry. Then other topics are given. Then unit 2, ICT usage in developing capacities. Topics are given. Then unit 3, pedagogic practice and process of learning. Then topics are given. Then unit 4, teaching proficiency, and topics are given. Now we have to check out the contents, whether the contents match the syllabus or not. So let's check. Like in unit 1, knowledge is a construction of experience. Case 1, case example from school subjects. Knowledge is exchange of information. Then method of inquiry, scientific thinking, social scientific thinking, mathematics, language, social relations, and other topics are given. You can check them out. You can now mention with this syllabus. The last topic is connection between knowledge and learner. Now verify it with syllabus. Knowledge is a construction of experience. A case example of school subjects. And last topic is connection between knowledge, curriculum, textbook, and in between it was methods of inquiry, scientific thinking, social scientific thinking, mathematics thinking. It's completely there. So unit 1 is completely checked, and it does verify with this syllabus and does match this syllabus completely. Now we have to check unit 2, role of ICT in education society, capacity development, and so on. So many topics are given, and the last, it's based teaching learning, ICT based teaching learning approaches for teacher professional development. Let's check out unit 2 of syllabus, role of ICT, capacity development, ICT based thinking approaches. It's completely there. So unit 2 is also clear. Now we have to check the unit 3 of contents, pedagogic practices and process of learning, critical examination of terminology, social notions associated, and then concept formation, inquiry based learning, project based learning. At the end, it's creating non-threatening environments. Let's check out unit 3 and verify with syllabus. You can check critical examination of terminology, critical understanding of strategic standard pedagogic methods, integrating disciplinary practices. It's completely there. Now we have to check out unit 4 of contents. It's teacher behavior modification and stimulated teaching. Then concept of lesson plan, importance of lesson plan, steps of lesson plan, then macro micro lesson plan, and in the end it's feedback evaluation mechanism. You can check it out from syllabus, like teacher behavior, simulated concept, importance, macro micro lesson plan, feedback and evaluation mechanism. So everything is completely there. Everything of syllabus does match the contents. There's no doubt about that. Now we have to check whether the page numbers which are mentioned in front of contents does are accurate or not. For example, if I go to page 46, will I find connections with knowledge and curriculum or not? We have to check it out. Check out that, like in page 46. See, page 46, connections between knowledge and curriculum, textbook and textbook, knowledge and learner is completely there. Check out one more page from the end units, like in unit 4. I'll check out 195, page number 195. Unit plan should be there. Now let's check page number 195. You can check page 195. Unit plan is there. So everything is completely clear. Contents cover everything of the syllabus, and you can go to any page of contents which are page number mentioned. Go to any page and find that particular topic. Wording of this book is also very easy, very nice. Also the contents topics are mentioned in both English and Hindi to make it both easy for the both kind of readers to understand, and the topics are also explained and highlighted. Topics are highlighted in the matter in both languages, in both English and Hindi, so that if you are easy in English language, if you are easy in English language, you can also understand it. And then the last page of the book, other books of ETT first year and guest papers of Himachal Pradesh are also mentioned. We can check them out of Vinod Publications. Now 199.50 is the price of this book, which is very reasonable price considering the topics which are greatly mentioned in this book. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or you can call them directly at 9218 and book will be delivered to your house within or location within 3-4 days time only. And you can email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com, go to Facebook, Twitter, YouTube of Vinod Publications and check out other books. And you can also go to their website at www.vinodpublications.com. And if you have any complaint regarding any book, you can go to the helpline number at help@vinodpublications.com. So I think 199.50 rupees is a very good price for this book. Buy it online or Flipkart, Amazon, or or call them. And if you want to buy it offline, you can go to any available bookstore nearby your location which has ETT books and buy it from there also. Buy it online or buy it from bookstore, it's your choice. I think 199.50 is an absolute good price for this Pedagogy Grows the Curriculum book of most trusted firm Vinod Publications. I think you should definitely buy it. Highly recommendable. Thank you so much.